Let's talk about LKCO and the prices that we should look for. If you are a holder, if you are an investor, we have to look for the right prices to average down or to buy, or if there's a warning sign, we have to sell and to average down in the perfect price. This is where we're gonna talk for the prices for today, for last trading session at Friday, and the coming days and weeks, and what's it mean if we close at the right price today. This will set incentive for the momentum pickup or drop for the next week. We're gonna talk about everything about LKCO and the prices you should buy and sell in this video. So without further ado, as I always said in my channel, no BS, no editing, straight to the information, straight to the chart with me, Trading Jesus. Always tell you, be patient and let's hunt for the right price value. So hit the notification so you never miss any of my future update. Like, comment, subscribe if you have any question. So before we go in the video, I ask you guys here at my community section, and I got a lot of requests for stocks that we should cover at my channel. So if you have any stock, like you wondering which the prices will be good, or is it actually a good stock to buy or sell, at which prices exactly, the full technical analysis, you could comment here below, because I already did the poll and a lot of people voted already. So that's why I'm doing LKCO today. We got 22 SOS. I will do it daily because a lot of people want it daily, and a lot of people comment about the stock they want preview or like personal technical analysis. So drop any stock you wondering what's the prices will be in the future, and I will happy to look at them and I put it in my list, and I will try to do it for you. And this is what we do here, try to make my trader be profitable and make the best decision in the trading. So let's go in the video without further ado. So as we said here in the last video I did at the 15th of April pre-market, I told you guys this is a warning sign if we close below our triangle here and below our exponential average. And guess what happened? Yesterday we closed and we went even to $1.02. This is crazy, guys. And now look with me closely what the I told you. If we go back from this level, we hold at the 13th of April above this level and above our exponential average, the 200, really important. And when we drop from there, look with me closely, really important. This is really important. We test for the level before we actually went down again. This is the test for the price. When you drop from any support, you have to test the less resistant to justify the drop. This is the market maker always do this. It's not just drive the price down, it's still a bit of fighting. If we want to test again to see if there's still selling pressure or is it just a fake out, and now we see this is a big pressure, selling pressure here, and we technically trading below the 2 AMI, and this is a sign of weakness, because if we go in a full picture for LKCO, and here look with me for the we look for our SMI, it dropping, and the first time we dropped from 0 and now in negative the moment we cross this ascending line, as I told you in the previous video. The moment we drop from this is a sign of weakness, and we could have went there to higher highs, and we could have actually test the $1.60 and go to $2. So this was the breaking point for our correction, and this the moment that we change everything, and now we cross this triangle, we dropped below it. So what I can see now, there is a new resistance we have to test today again, for the last time, to set an incentive for the next week. Really important. And this level lies around this technical area, precisely at $1.15 here. We have to test it again, and here with this candle, if we have a fake out or a candle wick like this to test this level, and we drop below our 200 EMA again, this is a big sign, guys. Big sign that we gonna see a lower prices for LKCO for the coming week. And the price, I can see, if we saw this play through and we got the rejection again around the $1.15 with the wick, we're gonna see the price drop to 0.85, and we see a buying pressure here around this area. This is a really important area, guys. Really important, because if we don't hold here, we're gonna see another price really important. I will show you. But before we go to lower price, we go to the other side of the equation, which is if we don't see a sell-off here, or a test, but we go over and we have a higher buying pressure. This is a less scenario, because the moment I told you here at the 8th of April, when we have a volume, but it's fake volume with zero buying pressure, with a big candle, a fake big candle. That's why we got a selling pressure here at 9th of April. Then at 12th of April actually confirm our fake volume. That's why we kept dropping. So we might even today, we don't test this level because we already tested yesterday, and we dropped from here by today to see this 0.85. So there's the chance that we're gonna test again. If there's a good buying pressure here, we gonna see at least test for $1.15 and hold up for $1.15 in order to see a correction from there. If not 100%, 99%, we're gonna see the 0.85 if we don't test by today, because this is really important to set incentive for next week. We want to see a candle closing above here to go above our exponential for average, the 2, and we test the $1.29 this time and we cross it. But this is big, but as I told you, we been dropping. We have a low volume from the 18th of March, and the volume went really low after we break our ascending line. So the big possibility that we're gonna see the 0.85, then we hold for $1.15. So this is a really important level to see and to watch out for, is the $1.15. We have to test it, not with the rejection, but the closing candle above it. And the lower prices, as I told you, if we don't hold or we don't see a big buying pressure with the wick, this is really important. If we didn't see a big buying pressure here, we're gonna see the price go even lower, and this is the price I can see for LKCO if we still have a low volume, as we can see here around exactly here 0.68 cent precisely. But now we don't worry ourselves about this price. The price that worry about is the psychological level above the $1, about the 0.99. So by today, if we just test the 0.99, just test it, and we see the 0.99, this will set an incentive for the next week that we're gonna see the 0.85. This is a really important psychological level, because yesterday we were at $1.02, and this is a test for a market maker for the 0.99 is below the $1 for LKCO. There's a lot of pressure for this psychological price. So if we see just the 0.99, there's a big chance that we're gonna see the 0.85. So be careful. You can average down here as you like here. Perfect if you can average down. As I told you, don't put all your money at the one trade. Chunk it, so you be ready for the other dip at the 0.68. Even if we have a buying pressure here, don't buy until we have a confirmation to go over the exponential average, then buy from there. Don't buy like try to buy the dip and put everything, because you never know exactly where the price will stop dropping. Like we've been dropping a lot here, but we just try to buy when the buying pressure happened, like here at $1.12 when I told you here before at 0.86. We said the price will hit here before at the 9th of March. So we just buy at the right price value, because this is where the high pressure of buying pressure happen. This is where the market maker buy their shares, so we buy with them, so we ride the wave with them. This is the best way to buy and average down. Even if the price went up, then went down up from this price, we only buy at the other dip, so we average down. Always better than just average down at every cent, and your average will be really crazy. It's not good. And this is a good strategy for people who FOMO and be afraid to miss the train. This is really good to buy at chunks, 10%, 30%. See how much you actually have right now, and just chunk it at the right price for the next price. So don't put everything, but percentage of your money and one dip, not for everything and one dip. This is really important, guys. This is just one strategy. There's many strategy you can actually do. We'll actually discuss this in the weekend, because I have a training course and a lot of people ask me for that. So I will put this a preview for the course, and will teach you guys how to calculate your risk, and most importantly, where to buy, where to sell, and looking for the perfect stock to buy at the right time with the right catalyst. So stay tuned for that for the weekend, and until next time, guys, like and subscribe to my channel. Daily update, so never miss anything from my channels. Hit the notification, and see you in the next update. See you, guys.